Hello, high levelers. It's Rio Daniel. In this video, I really want to cover another business model that High Level offers that maybe people out there currently don't know about. Now, most of the videos on my channel really encourage people to purchase the High Level system, to begin using it, to build a service. You have to create service plans and things like that, and basically create a software as a service business model that you're going to go out and in turn sell this service to other small businesses. Now, this is true. You can use this for High Level for that if you want to. But there's also another business model that you can use for High Level if you don't want to do that. So if you don't want to be responsible for maintaining a client like you would if you had software as a service, if you don't want to have to do all of the prospecting and the selling of your services to people and service agreements and things like that, there's another business model that High Level offers that can offer you a monthly recurring subscription service or payment service from High Level every single month. And that's becoming an affiliate of the GoHighLevel platform. Now, I'm an affiliate of the GoHighLevel platform, and quite frankly, there are hundreds, if not thousands, of affiliates right now working for the HighLevel platform, all promoting this people to start using the GoHighLevel platform and so forth. And this is what I want to create this video about. Because right now, a lot of people just really are struggling financially. They want to start a business, but they don't necessarily want to deal with, number one, software as a sales is a little bit more technical, but realistically, dealing with the service and the hassle of maintaining your customers and your clients once you actually get them. So people just don't want to do that. So right now, one other model that you can do is just simply help other small businesses out. And these are the other businesses like digital service companies. They could be other marketing agencies. They could be web designers. They could be social media managers. They could be coaches. I mean, they could be anybody that would use the High Level platform and all of the feature sets within it to help their business to cut down on the monthly expenses that they're currently paying for their business and to also scale and grow their business without having to scale or grow the monthly expense of the software costs in order to do. Now, as an affiliate, one of the main things that you're looking to do here is just literally tell other people about High Level. So really, it's just you're helping other people by just simply letting them know that there is another software platform out there for people to use. And if they start using it, just sign up under your affiliate link. And when you do that, High Level will start sending you money every single month as long as that person maintains an active subscription to the GoHighLevel platform. Now, let me go ahead and go over some of the pros, cons, and let me break this down with you here, because literally people can create a lucrative business just being an affiliate for High Level. And later on, if you want to, you can also use the exact same software that you already have to start a software as a service company, or vice versa. You could already be a member dealing with the clients right now, and you could have 50, 80, 200, 2,000 clients in your software as a service business. But now what you've noticed is that sometimes this is the case, if you get a customer, sometimes that customer really doesn't fit your business model. Let's just imagine that if you were a software as a service company and you're basically selling your service and your services within High Level to other small businesses, but let's just say you get a friend, somebody that's very similar to you, and they don't want to be a client of yours. They want to start the same kind of business you do. Why would you just not simply refer them to High Level using your affiliate link and have High Level pay you for it every single month? So can you imagine if you were a software as a service business owner? You're going to network meetings, you're going to masterminds, you're going to events, you're going to multiple different places where people are asking you, hey, how do you run your business? Hey, what do you do in your business? Hey, what do you do? And all you're simply just saying is, I run my business off the GoHighLevel platform. This is what I do. These are the services I have. This is how much margin I make on each one of my customers. And this is how much money I can make every month as a result of the GoHighLevel platform. And people would be like, that's awesome, man. Absolutely. Where do I get more information? This is where you can simply just give them your affiliate link, which anybody that has a GoHighLevel account automatically gets an affiliate link that they can use to be an affiliate of the GoHighLevel platform. Now, if you've already got the account set up here, and what I'm just going to suggest is, again, you don't need a High Level account, and I'm going to go over that in just a minute. But part of the affiliate policy that High Level states is they want to make sure that they don't start getting people that have never used High Level, that have never really even seen High Level, just promote High Level just for the fact of starting a business and making money. Because I believe they feel it would dilute the brand and cheapen the name a little bit. So they want people who really have experienced this, or at least have used the software or have an account, to actually say, hey, I've used this, I've looked at this, these are the features that are available, this is 100% legit. Check out this software company, and just, it can save you hundreds of dollars a month on your monthly expenses. So instead of using 3, 4, 5 different pieces of software to run your business, all you need is one. And that right there would just be a huge savings right off the bat. And if they use your affiliate link, you get compensated every single month for them just clicking on your link, checking out a few things, investigating it, and then if they want to buy it and purchase it, then you get credit for it, and Highlevel will start paying you every single month. Let's take a look at a few benefits right here, and take a look at this. Right now, what I got here is a video just says making $15,000 a month as a GoHighLevel affiliate, and I just want to show you what it would take to get there. Now, keep in mind that if you made $15,000 a month, that's literally almost like life-changing money for a lot of people. So right now, that could completely change the way you live your life. That could completely change your financial situation, your family, and everything else. But keep this in mind. Some people only need to make a fraction of that, even a third of that. What if you only made $5,000 a month? I'm going to take a look and show you like how you get compensated and what type of things that you would need to do in order to make both $15,000 and then a fraction of that, even less. But I just want to show you some of the pros and cons of starting this particular business because I want to be completely honest and upfront with you right from the very beginning. So right now, some of the pros on this is that you don't need to have a certain level account inside of Highlevel. The very basic plan, and I'm going to get over the plans here in just a little bit, but the very lowest level plan is called the starter plan. That's enough for you to get started and to satisfy the affiliate requirement inside of the affiliate agreement for Highlevel to start reselling their services as an affiliate for them. That right there would satisfy that need. Number two, you can also come and start this part-time. You don't need to sit back and do this on a full-time basis. Keep in mind, you could do this during your lunch break. You could do it before you go to work. You can do it after you come home from work. All you're really trying to do is reach out to people, business owners and so forth, to let them know that there is another solution to running their business using GoHighLevel platform and what GoHighLevel could do for them. That's really it. So again, one of the other pros is that you're helping businesses. Now, let me ask you this. How many people can literally say that you can start a business with getting thousands of dollars in monthly recurring revenue simply by helping other small businesses save money every month on their software expenses? That is huge. That right there is what I call a win situation. You win by helping somebody else out and you win by getting paid at the same time. So that's just absolutely fantastic that both of those things can happen at the same time. And that's what Highlevel has set up for you. Now, some of the cons, again, this is what everybody's looking for. You will have to start learning how to start an affiliate marketing business. Now, Highlevel and GoHighLevel, I use those terms interchangeably, but the GoHighLevel company, they hire affiliates because they don't really sit back and spend millions of dollars a year or multiple millions of dollars a year on a whole sales force to sell their software. They count on other people like myself and other people who are affiliates, and hopefully you watching the video, to go out and tell people about their platform, their software, what it can do, the services that can be performed, and how this software platform can help the small business become more efficient, make money, and automate a lot of the processes using the software built in the platform. So you will have to learn how to start an affiliate marketing business if you don't know how. Now, I'm going to explain to you, I've already talked about how an affiliate marketing business works. I'm going to talk a little bit, if you're just in a few minutes, about how the affiliate program with Highlevel worked and how you can actually get compensated for them. But you will need to learn how to start doing affiliate marketing. That's something that you're going to start a business about. You're going to have to learn about it, which means you're going to have to do your own research, maybe watch some other YouTube videos, things like that. But literally, it is pretty simple to start and move forward as an affiliate for the GoHighLevel platform. Now, the second thing that's going to be a con is you are responsible for all resources to market GoHighLevel. Now, what exactly does that mean? So that means Highlevel is not going to give you any money every month to go out and promote their platform. So if you need to take a video, then you're going to have a camera to do it. But guess what? All you really need is your cell phone. Most cell phones now come with great cameras that if you took a picture, you can upload it directly to YouTube or upload it to social media. That camera is just fine. But the point is that you will need all the resources you need to market the GoHighLevel platform yourself. So if you're not on social media, you'll have to create social media accounts if that's a way that you want to market the GoHighLevel platform to other people. If you want to start a YouTube channel, then you'll have to create that yourself. You'll have to create these resources in order to market GoHighLevel. Now, I know that makes common sense, but it is a con. So any resources that you may need, any other videos, if you need microphones to do audio and video with your videos and stuff like that, all of that stuff would be completely up to you. So that is another con that you would have to do that. But literally, there are affiliates that can use the camera on your computer to do videos or the camera on your phone. There are so many other resources you need that you probably wouldn't even need more than what you already have. You're just repurposing what you have for the purpose of doing affiliate marketing for GoHighLevel. So the third one is that it will take time to build the income to live off of. Now, this isn't an instant. You start this thing and it's possible. Don't get me wrong. There are people that are started depending upon your situation. If you're already in the middle of a lot of people who have digital marketing businesses and things like that, or web developers, social media managers and coaches, if you're already in the middle of somebody like that and you have a lot of contacts, man, you could scale this affiliate marketing money pretty quickly. So talking about money, let me hop into that right now, but it ultimately does take time for you to get clients, for you to build a platform to talk to people. But if you have a way of talking to a mass group of people real quick, like for instance, a lot of people use Facebook groups to go out and talk to specific niches about different solutions that the GoHighLevel platform can have for that particular business niche. For example, there you can reach a lot of people all in one particular place versus something like YouTube where people would have to find you and then you could potentially make money from that particular perspective. So you will again have to learn how to do some marketing and affiliate marketing. But when you do that, this becomes something that you can do again part-time. Even while you're working, you can sit back and take a lunch break and do this kind of stuff. And it doesn't take time. It's not once somebody signs up for the GoHighLevel platform that you owe that person something or anything like that. Now, typically, if you're looking to get somebody signed up for the GoHighLevel platform, it is a good idea to at least offer them some resources and some guidance on starting their business effectively, which is where a lot of the affiliates are at right now. With some of them have courses like myself. I have courses. I have other free resources that I have available that make it easier once you get started to start more quickly. But again, when you get started, that's just something that you're going to have to build. So let me hop in and just show you how this program works. So right now, GoHighLevel pays a commission of 40% of the subscription price for every month for every person who signs up using your affiliate link. What does that mean exactly? So there are three main plans with HighLevel, and I'm going to try to blow this up a little bit here. So there are three main plans with HighLevel. The starter plan, which is $97 a month. Now, this is the plan that if you want to start doing affiliate marketing, you will have to begin using at least this basic level plan. Now, the good thing about it is that if you're looking to sign up with HighLevel, more specifically, then you can use my free 30-day trial link in this video to sign up as my affiliate. And then when that happens, I actually get a very small percentage compensation of what things that you do. So again, I'm not trying to confuse things right here, but once you sign up as an affiliate under me, then I can help you build an affiliate business. And I do get a small percentage compensation. So there's a 40% commission on the first level. And then if you sign up under me, then I would get 5% of anybody that you signed up, or vice versa. If you created an account and you signed up an affiliate, you in turn would get 40% of your client or your affiliate's commission. And you would also get 5% of any affiliates that your clients brought on. So there is a second tier for this. Now, there isn't a third tier, just to let you know, but you can sign up using the 30-day link in this video to get 30 days to get started, to get people before you need to start paying for the GoHighLevel platform. Now, with the starter plan, I'm just trying to give you some numbers here. 40% of the starter plan, which is $97, would be $38.80 each month per user. Everybody that you get signed up using the starter plan, that would be another $38.30 added next month, another $38.80 the month after that. And if they maintain their subscription, every month HighLevel will continue to pay you for that subscription, 40% of it every time. Now, hopefully what happens is when somebody starts on the starter plan, which only allows you to have 3 sub-accounts, meaning 1 for your business and then 2 for clients. Once you hit 2, then you'll need to upgrade if you want to get more clients and start making more money. Now, when they upgrade, guess what? That means that your commission now goes from the starter plan to a limited plan if they upgrade to that, or to the Agency Pro plan, which I'm going to talk about right now. So the unlimited plan is a middle tier. It's $297, which means 40% of that is $118.80 per month. So you sign somebody up at the $297 plan, you get $118.80 every single month as long as they have a subscription. And then the Agency Pro at $497 means you get $198.80. So those are the numbers. Okay. Now let's do a little bit of math. I'm not going to have you do math because I've already done it for you. But right now, if you want to make $15,000 a month, then you would need these numbers or a combination of these numbers to make it work. You would need to have 387 people sign up for you on the starter plan. To be honest, that's a lot of people. That's a lot of people to go out and try to get signed up under the starter plan. Now, who would want the starter plan? These would be like typically small businesses that run their business off software. They would only need like the $97 one, unless they're like a digital marketing agency or somebody that's looking to get clients. Then they would need the unlimited or the pro plan, because the starter plan is limited to just 2 clients. Whereas the unlimited and the pro plan, you get unlimited number of clients. Hopefully that makes sense. So if you're dealing with the unlimited plan, you would just need 127 people on the unlimited plan. Now, again, that's a lot. It would take time to build that up. But if you're looking to do constant marketing, at least contacting people via, it could be a phone call, it could be an email, it could be a social media post, it could be any one of those marketing channels. Either one of those can sit back and help people understand that there's another software platform out there that they could use, that they could, again, take what they existing have in their business right now, take all the softwares they've got, throw them out, and then bring HighLevel in and reduce all of their monthly expenses to a fixed, even rate, where before they were paying more money. And typically, unlike HighLevel, some of the other companies, when you grow and you start scaling, you get more people, like more employees or more staff, or you get more contacts and more leads, they charge you more for the software. HighLevel doesn't do that. HighLevel has an unlimited plan for all of that. When you hit the plan, it's unlimited contacts, unlimited users that you can have. All of the things they have is unlimited, which is one of the things that I really loved about HighLevel when I got started. And this is something they've really taken from the very beginning. They've never changed that. That's been their open policy right from the very beginning. Now, The Agency Pro. Ultimately, this is where you're looking to get people who start a company. You're looking to get them to the Agency Pro because the Agency Pro really has the most automation, the most money-making potential out of all the plans. Now, if you're looking at that, you would need 76 people on the Pro plan to get $15,000 per month. Okay? That would be it. And I know 76 is a lot. But if you look at it and you're looking at getting, could be 2 a month, 5 a month, maybe even 10 a month, or even more, depending upon if you can get in front of a lot of different people at one time, you can get a large group of people to start trying Highlevel. And then all your job is to just introduce it to them, help them get started, and point them toward the right resources. And one of the resources could be my YouTube channel to do that. So this is what you would really need in order to start making $15,000 a month, just as an affiliate using GoHighLevel. Now, when you reach, this means that every single month, let's just say that you get 76 people on the Pro plan and you're like, that's it. I don't care. I'm not doing anything else. I quit. As long as you sit back and still maintain your active high-level plan, and the 76 people just continue to use their subscription, you will continue to make the $15,000 every single month without doing any more work moving forward. So that is the power of creating an affiliate marketing business versus if you had a software as a service company making $15,000, you would still owe, again, some responsibility to your clients for maintaining them, for checking on their accounts, for helping them in case they have any problems, for having them grow. So again, that's another part of the business that you could take a look at. But an affiliate business with Highlevel is very lucrative and very possible for people who want to start a part-time business and do this while they currently work. So I just want to show you about this. Now, I've shown you the numbers to make $15,000. What if you wanted to make $5,000? Okay, then just take all of those numbers and drop them by simply by 2/3. Cut them by 1/3 and say 76 people. Then all you would really need to have is, let's just call it 25. I sign up 25 people and I can make $5,000 per month from Highlevel. What would $5,000 do for you right now if you can have $5,000 a month recurring dropped into your bank account on a certain day every single month from Highlevel just because you recruited 25 people for their subscription? Now, if you started doing that, you obviously wouldn't want to stop because you're like, I'm not going to sit around all day and just do nothing. So let me continue to promote and continue to grow more and more people. But even at 25, if you made $5,000 a month, sometimes that could even replace your salary right there. That can help out with paying for mortgages, car payments, insurance. All of that base level expenses that you have with your family would be 100% covered. And then any amount of money that you made at your job or your wife made would just simply be extra money that you could put into savings or put into some form of a brokerage account, maybe to do investments in the stock market to help out with your retirement. Either way, I just want to introduce you to another type of business model that Highlevel has, and that this is something that's completely doable and it's possible, but I don't really talk about it a lot on my channel, so I wanted to sit back and mention it now. That's really all I had. I just want to introduce it to you, show some of the numbers, get it in your head. Is this possible? Is this for me? Will this work? I don't know. Because based upon some of these pros and cons here, you might say, no, I don't want to do this. Or yes, I never knew about this. Why can't I just get started with this? Because I want to get started with Highlevel. And then maybe when I hit $5,000 a month in affiliate income, then I can live off that. And now I can start my software as a service company since I already have the software. And here's the key. The affiliate business you have is already paying for the software. So keep this in mind. Even at the starter plan, if you take a look at this, you would need about, let's just say 3 people for the starter plan to pay for it, or 1 person at the unlimited or pro plan, just 1 person who signed up in that 30-day free trial. So if you click on the link below, you sign up and you start being an affiliate, you would just need 1 person in that 30 days to sign up using the unlimited plan or the Agency Pro plan, and your software costs are covered. You're not paying out of pocket whatsoever, and you're at least making profit right within the 30 days. That's the power of using the affiliate program with the Highlevel platform. So if you found this useful, click on the like button, leave me a comment if you have a question about anything. I'm more than happy to help you grow. Again, I'm just trying to help out as many people as I can with my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, click on the subscribe button. I do appreciate it. And thank you guys so much for hanging in there with me, and have a great day. Bye-bye.